I'll never forgive you. I'll never forgive you. I'll never forgive you. Oh, Emily, darling, did you remember the soy milk?
Yeah, of course. There's something I need to...
Did you bring your script? I thought we could run through enunciation today.
I need to talk to you about something. The director, he's decided he wants
let
to...
me guess. He's altered the script again. Happens all the time. You'll get used to it once you jump to front of camera. Have you seen his last movie? The man is a genius. He can literally do no wrong.
No, it's not the script. He's recast you.
Oh, very funny.
No, you can ask him.
Really? That little shit! How dare he? I'm getting a bloody runner to come and tell me. Who's my replacement?
I'm not sure.
Oh, come on, Emmy. That wasn't very convincing. Who is it?
He overheard me practicing your lines behind the makeup trailer.
And what were you doing behind the makeup trailer? Giving his Oscar a quick polish?
I got this role based on my acting ability.
You keep telling yourself that, you talentless old hack. I've never heard you deliver a single line with any conviction or emotion.
I'll never forgive you.
And I'll never forgive you. Oh, still not right. And you forgot the soya milk, bitch!